Can be used for cooking outdoors or in the office. Features a temperature-regulating knob with heat distribution coils. Power indicator light. Stay cool knob and sides. Stability feet to prevent sliding. Slim space-saving design. From fiestas to sporting events to large holiday gathering, this electric double burner lets you cook anywhere you have a plug. Its compact and portable size also makes it ideal for the office, dorm rooms or small apartments. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this one. It's great. 2 years and going strong. I've got a very small apartment, no kitchen to speak of, so having a double burner hotplate was a must. After carefully reading through reviews and keeping a budget in mind, I decided on this one. It did not disappoint. I've had this Imusa for damn near 2 years and it still works perfectly well with high usage. It does occasionally shut itself off, but that usually only happens when both burners are turned to full heat and will reset if you give it a few minutes. To be clear, I do meal prep 2 or 3 times per week. Often making large portions of food and snacks, this thing has been a friggin' rock star for my non-kitchen kitchen. I've had this one for 2 Christmases now, it's worth every penny and I will be buying again when this one eventually conks out. Easy to clean and store, it's a great purchase.